Hi everybody. Today I'm going to show you few features for my project which I done previously. If you follow my tutorial, you know. So let's start. If anybody like my channel, then please like and share it. If anybody like my channel content, then please subscribe and press the bell button. If you press the bell button, then you will get update when I upload any video. You can also press subscribe button from my video bottom left side. So if you play our project, we see we have some errors. First error I show you. If we write our any animal, and if we then we see error. There is error on health UI if we write any animal. So we don't want to see any error, so we have to fix it. For fixing it, I need to create few variable. You can see when we possess this problem create. So I use my third person game mode. Inside that I create two variable. I use it in even possess and unpossess. So I make the variable name possessed, possessed. Compile and save. Now go to our third person character, and from here we will add create game mode and class to third person game mode. We make it pure cast after right click, and from here we set possessed. We copy it, Ctrl C Ctrl V, and edit on possessed and unpossessed. We make it little organized, and on possessed it will be true, on unpossessed it will be false. Now you can see our health UI which is created in our earlier tutorial. If you follow my tutorial, you know. So I go inside that and I copy my game mode and class to third person game mode, add a branch, and I search for get possessed. Of my writing spelling is wrong, so I add it on the condition, make it straight so it looks better. Yes, this is fine. Now compile and save everything. Now if we play, I dismiss it. Now if we play, and if we go in front of our writing animal, and if we write the animal, press E, I am writing the animal, and after writing, if I press E, I will exit, and yes, there is no error. So if it's our error, one error. Now we have another error. If we select our gun and if we jump, we can still fire, and this is look not realistic. We can aim also, so we have to disable both of that. If we jump, we cannot fire, we cannot aim. So we create a variable. I have already a boolean variable. I name it is in air. You can name whatever you want. Now we go to our animation blueprint, and from here we will set our is in air, which is created in our character. So edit here, third person and MVP, and its condition should be is in air, which is in animation blueprint. So it's done here. Now all we have to do, when we fire, we add a condition, we add a branch, and when our is in air is false, then only then we can fire. Same we do it our aiming. Here is our aiming, so we better copy our code in, Ctrl C Ctrl V, add here. When it's false, then we can aim. Yes, we're done here. We can check it now. Now if we play, and if we select the gun, And now if you jump, we cannot fire and we cannot aim. Yes, so that is a bug with it. Yes, now we have to add another thing, which is if we go in front of attacking animal, they attack us and we lose our health. So if we wanna calculate our health, we need to calculate our health. So we have to create a blueprint, a actor blueprint. Right button, blueprint class, actor. I name it health. You can name it whatever you want. And I must go inside of it, and I should add a cube. So I add a cube. It's a quite big. Compile and save. And if we place it in our level, it's a big. So we may to reduce it. So I reduce it 0.2 and make it like still like this. So it's look like a health bots or medic bots. Give it a red color, and add a bot solution. If we go into our level, it's not covering much area, so we have to make it big. I make it 64. It's bigger is better, by the way. On component boolean overlap, I cast my third person character, and from here we will collect our health component, which we add in our character. If we watch our previous tutorial, you know what am I talking about. So from here I set my health, and we must add if our health is get, and if our health is equal or higher than 100, then if our health is full, we cannot collect the health. So add a branch and make it condition, and when it's false, only then we can add health. So we have to add the health value. So plus float, and give a value you want. I give a 20. It's look fine to me. And now we have to add one more thing, and that is a destroy actor. If we can collect our health, the bots will be destroyed. We can add a sound also. I add a equip rifle equip sound reload. It's nice. You can add any sound you want. Here is the sound. So save all. Now if we play, we cannot collect the health because we have full health. If we go in front of our attacking animal attack us, and we lose health, and we go to the health, and we can collect the health. You saw our health is increased and our health box is destroyed. So add 100. No, 100 is too much, so we should add 50. 50 is nice. So compile and save, and we cannot collect. If we go in front of our attacking animal, the animal attack us, we lose our health. We should fire at the attacking animal, and kill it. Yeah, the elephant is die. Okay, if we go, yes, we collect 50. So this is for today's tutorial. I hope everybody like it. So goodbye.